In this video, you see a demonstration of an AI agent operating a computer. It is actually a fork of a demo app from Anthropic. We sent it off with a goal: to find out who the CEO of TensorOps is. For this video, we sped up the timeline and cut out a few moments where it was just waiting, but the original video was slower and longer. Anyway, let's talk about the system setting. It includes a virtual machine, an OpenAI-based chat, a Streamlit interface, and of course, an agent capable of carrying out research actions. As you can see, we launched it by giving it a task through the chat interface. This interface will be crucial for keeping the AI on track as the process continues. The agent understands it needs to search the internet, and it is aware of the tools it has. For example, looking at the screen and taking a screenshot. Once the tool takes a screenshot, it is sent back to the agent, which interprets the coordinates and decides where to click on the screen. This loop repeats until the problem is solved, but there are issues along the way. For example, as you can see right now, the AI gets stuck when encountering a Google Captcha, and the system uses a human-in-the-loop module to alert the operator to step in and solve the challenge. After a human jumps in to help, the agent browses to TensorOps' website, locates the team page, and finds the CEO's name, Claudio Lemos. The entire process takes about 3.5 minutes, much longer than it would take a human. The cost was about 25 cents. However, on the screen you're seeing 78 cents because it's the cost of 3 runs we had. This is equivalent to $5 per hour, which is not insignificant compared to what you'd pay people in some countries, especially given the low efficiency. Even so, it is a very impressive demo, and it's worth paying attention to, since in the coming year we'll likely see more and more tasks automated by AI-driven agents as the models continue to improve. Drop us a comment if you'd like to talk about implementing such agents. Or just go to our website at tensorops.ai.